Hello dear student, we are learning the question number 10. In that tan a upon 1 plus tan square a bracket square plus cot square a upon 1 plus cot square a bracket square. This is the LHS and this we have to show is equal to sin a into cos a. If we will observe the LHS and RHS, we need to prove RHS as a sin a into cos a. So convert all the terms in a sin a and cos a. LHS is equals to tan a upon 1 plus tan square a bracket square plus cot square a upon 1 plus cot square a bracket square. Now we will shift all the terms in sin and cos. As we know, tan a is equal to sin a upon cos a. By the second identity, 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a bracket raised to 2 plus similarly cot a is written as cos a upon sin a upon 1 plus cot square a. By the third identity, 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a bracket square. Give the reason by second and third identity. Now, sin a upon cos a. Convert this sec a and cosec a into sin and cos. As we know, sec a is equal to 1 upon cos a and cosec a is equal to 1 upon sin a. So, we will substitute these values in these two denominators. So, the denominator becomes sin a upon cos a upon 1 upon cos square a. Now, square, first we will convert this. Sec square a square into square. So, it becomes sec raised to 4a plus cos a upon sin a upon cosec raised to 4a. Now convert this sec raised to 4a and cosec raised to 4a in sin and cos as already it is noted here. Sin a upon cos a upon 1 upon cos raised to 4a plus cos a upon sin a upon 1 upon sin raised to 4a. Do the reciprocal of this denominator. So, sin a upon cos a into cos raised to 4a upon 1 plus cos a upon sin a into sin raised to 4a upon 1. If you will see, there are 4 cos and here 1 cos. So, this 1 cos is cancelled with this 1. So, what is remaining? Cos raised to 3a. Similarly, sin a cancelled with this 1 sin a. So, here it is remaining sin raised to 3a. So, what is remaining now? Sin a into cos cube a plus cos a into sin cube a. If you will observe these two terms, in these two terms, what is common? Sin a cos a and here also cos a sin a. So from these two terms, take out the common as a sin a into cos a. From this first term, already sin a is outside. From this cos cube a, 1 cos a is inside. So what is remaining inside? Cos square a. Similarly, in second term, cos a already outside. From this sin cube a, 1 sin is outside. So only 2 sines are remaining inside. So sin square a. Now we know by the first identity, cos square a plus sin square a is equals to 1. Therefore, sin a into cos a into 1 by first identity. Therefore, sin any number multiplied by 1 gives the same answer. So, sin a into cos a is equal to RHS. Hence, proof.